What's good, y'all? So today is day 59 of 0 to 1 million in 365 days. So day is freaking chill lang. Wala tayong masyadong ginawa. Yung kinita natin today is like most likely passive pa din, no? So ito for today's sales. Today is 24. So fucking boom, 24. And ito ang sale natin today. So, not gonna complain, bro. Boom, 296. So, take all profit is 296 since meron pa akong balance dun sa supplier ko. So, ano din to, 296. So, I don't know how much is that in peso. Let's see. 296 USD is 17K, 17,400, something like that. So we made basically 17K today without doing anything. No, just fucking. I'm actually doing more product research today. So like I did more product research today through AliExpress and damn, bro, I'm wanna show you guys this new product so bad, but I can't. Trying to leak this, but I think this product is really good considering that it has like a wow factor, and I don't know, maybe it's like two. Actually, I'm gonna give you guys a clue, like a little clue. So this one is 2-in-1. You know, it can go in the air. You can actually use it in the air, and then you can actually use it on the ground. So you probably know what it is, but I don't really care. But okay lang. Yeah. So puputukan na ngayon sa labas. So Pasko ngayon eh. So Christmas Eve. Minutes na lang, 4 minutes na lang, papasko na. So I'm doing more work. Hindi dito sa store. Parang on a legal side ng store. So, and then yung mga customers, hindi nagre-reply ako sa mga customers, no? Yun lang yung ginagawa ko ngayon. So, just to prevent, to avoid or prevent yung mga chargeback and shit like that. Bro, what the fuck? Hindi ko matanggal. Wait, let me... Bro, what the fuck? Hindi ko matanggal. Fuck that shit, bro. So, yun. Nakangalay. Ayan, patong na lang dyan. So, basically, today is... Nag-bike ako ngayon. Actually, nag-bike ako today. And walang pagkain sa bahay since wala naman kaming Pasko eh. So, as you guys know, Iglesia ni Cristo ko. So, basically, wala kaming Pasko. So, pagkain sa bahay. So, I'm probably gonna go out and get some food, like, kahit ano, dyan sa McDo or somewhere. So, I'm hungry as fuck, man. Not gonna lie, I'm hungry as fuck. Probably gonna edit this video and upload it. And, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing really special today. I did a little bit of work. So, answering more customers. Like yung back end ng store. Like answering na yung mga customer na nagtatanong na nasa na yung order nila. So, yun, na-answer ko yun. So, I received like fucking 15 emails today. Nagtatanong ko nasa na yung order nila, and then hopefully no one's gonna open a chargeback, and then sana goods lang lahat para medyo mataas yung natin, pinaka-profit natin. So, like I said from the past video, sinabi ko na doon, ni-reveal ko na doon yung revenue and then yung profit ng mismong store. And yun nga, next year I'm planning to like buy a camper van or a minivan to be exact, para I wanna bring you guys along with me during the yung mga adventures ko with a van or some, kung ano man mabili kong kotse. So, ang budget ko kasi is like 400k para dun sa minivan. So, mukha siyang cheap, but it's not really cheap, Most people, bibili na lang sila ng second hand na kotse, pero ayoko kasi. So, mas priority ko yung purpose niya. Kasi minivan is like multi-purpose. You can do a lot of stuff sa minivan. You can like build like a pop-up coffee shop, And then if you wanna go to like Batangas racetrack, you can actually put your motorcycle inside. It's like serve as a carrier for a motorcycle for your track bike. Para doon sa track bike go. And yeah, travel, basically travel. Use it for travel. So kasi like I said, wala pa akong kotse. I know how to drive a car. Cause I've driven fucking cars before, multi-cabs. Mas sanay ako sa manual kaysa sa automatic. I don't know why, but mas prefer ko yung manual kasi doon ako masanay. And that's basically it. So next year will be interesting. So if you guys wanna watch the whole journey next year, if you guys wanna fucking watch out for the new videos, no? Or if you guys wanna subscribe or no, I don't give a shit, no? Purpose ko lang naman kasi para kaya ako nag-record ng YouTube videos, document myself, yun lang. So, nothing else. Actually, pinapanood ko yung mga past video ko ng mga kanina. Like, it's crazy. Na, buti na lang na I'm glad that I record those moments na fucking mahirap and then boom. Pwede talaga mag-change buhay, man. Like a quick, like a snap of a finger. Boom. Ay, sobrang quick, hindi mo mamamalayan na magbabago yung buhay mo. Like for example, today, sobrang down ka and then after a few days, pag nag-workout yung business mo, boom. No? So, isa lang ako sa like, budget ko is like under 20k para dun sa store and then nag-grow siya in like fucking, I don't know, maybe 700k. This in like 30 days. Minus na natin yung mga nagastos ko doon, like bumili ako ng bike, nagbayad ako ng mga bills and shit, no? So in total, ang kinita na natin is 615, mga ganun, 600k plus na lang, I would say, no? So yun na yung kinita natin like 30 days, which is crazy. So, goods na yun. So, I'm so grateful, so thankful na. Yun, meron na tayong pera para dun sa mga next na ventures natin. Pero mag-stick pa rin naman ako dito sa business model nito, which is itong e-com. Like, ito yung bread and butter ko. Simula nung una pa eh. So, strategy lang yung nag-iba. So, I'm gonna stick to e-com for, I don't know, maybe the next 5 years or something. Then, pag na-build ko na yung skill ko dito sa organic, I'm gonna transition again ulit sa paid ads. So, kasi yun, dun lahat pupunta yun sa paid ads. So, kailangan lang talaga ma-master itong skill na to in organic without paying any ads. Which is, I think, it's going to work. I strongly believe na mag-work to. So, yeah. So, 5% na lang yung battery. So, hindi ko na papahabain to. Edit ko na to and then upload. See you guys in the day 60 of this journey, of this challenge, or whatever you want to call it. But, peace.